when you apply this product, which I'm going to demonstrate for you guys right now. This is us applying it on the palm of my hand. You can see I dropped just a little bit, and you can see the way it's spreading. It's spreading, it's spreading, and you keep rubbing and rubbing and rubbing until thy kingdom come. So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and if you are new here, hi, I am Damsey and you're most welcome to this crystal amazing community where we talk all things lifestyle, beauty, mindset, and a little bit of DIY projects every now and then, and of course lots more. So if these are topics that you are interested in, so you should definitely consider subscribing to this channel. It's very easy, very free. All you have to do is click on the red subscribe button right down here and you're good to go. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing another skincare product, a very important skincare product, should I say, because we are gradually approaching the summer right now. So it's already very hot. The sun is here to fry us all, and this is definitely the best time to be stacking up some good old sunscreens, of course. And a lot of people, because of the economic issues and all of that, some persons are looking to stack up on some affordable sunscreens, and that is why today's review is specifically very important and very important, let me just put it that way, because this is one of the most affordable sunscreens I've ever had, and I am here to give you guys the full juice on what I think about the sunscreen, of course. So we're going to be reviewing this sunscreen right here. This is from the Skin Doctor, and this is the Sunblock with collagen and vitamin E. So yeah, just take a good look at what we're working with today. This is what we're working with today. So as usual, the very beginning of all my reviews, I like to describe the physical look of the product, of course. So this product is obviously, it comes in this tube container form. It's really it's thick. It's like the usual, but it's like a light, like it's not super thick, it's like a light tube kind of thing, applicator type thing, definitely. And it's yellow, it looks like this. So it usually comes sealed up, because I've started using this, that is why it's no longer sealed, but it's usually sealed. Like when you open it down, it's not like you see the cream coming out all of a sudden. So yeah, and what we have in front of it is the Skin Doctor Sunblock Front with 60 summer perfect protection, all of that. So this is about 200 milliliters worth of product, which is really good. I mean, how often do we come across sunscreens with this generous size? But of course, the generosity depends on the price, right? So yeah, this is what the product looks like. And at the back, you have the description, product description, the ingredients, and all of that. And down here, you have the expiring date right here, and here you have the barcode and stuff. So yeah, this is what the product basically looks like. So as for what this product promises to do, it starts from the front right here. If you have this, you could just follow along. So this product promises that it comes with collagen and vitamin E, moisture and gentle advanced protection for all activities, summer perfect protection, and it lasts up to 8 hours. Up to 8 hours protection is written right here. You can see I'm not cooking this up. This is what the product promises. And we have at the back, it says it has a caring formula developed especially for the face. It immediately protects and offers deep, long-lasting moisture. The highly effective UVB filter system protects from sunburn and premature skin aging for immediate, long-lasting protection from UVB rays, while skin stays intensely moisturized and radiant. Well, yeah, that is what the product promises to do. So as for how I use this product, it's pretty much simple. you just take out a small piece. One thing I observed about this product while I was using it is that a little bit of it goes a very long way. So when you apply this product, which I'm going to demonstrate for you guys right now, this is just applying it on the palm of my hand. You can see I dropped just a little bit, and you can see the way it's spreading. It's spreading, and you keep rubbing and rubbing and rubbing until thy kingdom come. Yeah, I know why I'm demonstrating it like this for you guys, because I just need this review. I need this little demonstration here to be evidence to the rest of what I am going to say in the rest of this video. So no magic trick done. This is what we have. This is what we have. So can you see what is going on? Compare it to just look at. Okay, so this is basically how I apply the product. When I first used it, I applied it, of course, on my face and on the rest of my body, because it specifically says on the body of the product that you can use it for the face and you can use it also for the body. So it says that, and yeah. So what does this actually do? As you can see, this is one of the number one thing that this product for real does. White residue. I don't know if there's a way you guys can actually see this. If there's a way you guys can see it and see that it has some white residue on my skin. Like it's just white. It does not absorb into the skin. I wish there was a way I could show you guys. It does not get absorbed into the skin smoothly like other products. So I observed, even from when I took it out of the container onto my hands, obviously, I observed that the product is not really, the consistency is not smooth. So it's kind of thick and creamy, and it's not smooth in the sense that it feels like all the ingredients that were used to basically compose the products are not agreeing with each other. So they are not, what is the word? I'm actually trying to look for the word. They're not united, like they're not together. It's as if one product is just acting on its own and the rest are just following each other in such a way that when you apply it on your hand, it feels as though, yeah, it's sinking in, which it does. So a part of the product sinks in to moisturize your hand, and then it leaves a very ugly white residue, like a white film on top of your skin. You do not want to be using this on your face. You do not want to be using this on your face. You can see how it instantly makes my hand white. It makes me white. So that is one of the main things that it actually does. And so again, I noticed that this actually makes me sweat. I don't know if it's because of the whole product, because of the white film, but it actually does provoke some sweat. The most annoying thing about this is that the moment you start to sweat with this product on, the whole, like, your face becomes, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like the white just gives way. So you basically look like a ghost. It's not sweat proof at all. This is not something that I would want to wear out. This is just really bad. Like, you need to be in a fully air-conditioned room to even be able to have this product on. It's terrible. So another thing that I observed about this product is that, yeah, like it promises, it says this is it offers deep, long-lasting moisture. I would say that it is definitely moisturizing for sure, but it is not deeply moisturizing. So this is more or less like a top layer of the skin moisturization. It's not in deep, to be honest. From use, I'm not just saying this. This is my observation from using it. So I would not advise someone with a severe dry skin to be using this, of course, because it does not sink in properly. It does not moisturize deeply enough. And as for the protection, guys, it said it lasts up to 8 hours. 8 hours for protection. guys, it does not even protect. I don't think this protects, because at least a few times that I wore it out, I don't know, man. I really don't think this works very well. Not to talk of lasting up to 8 hours, because basically when you apply the product, a proper sunscreen is supposed to create like a film that is going to cover the top skin layer and protect it, but this one does not even, because the product is not unified, it's not synced, it does not really go on smoothly on the skin. It's just rough and it's often scattered and all over the place, so it does not offer adequate protection. So another thing that I noticed with applying this product, because the first time that I applied this product, I actually applied it after taking my bath, and I usually wait for my skin to dry up a little bit, not completely, but let's say like 95% dried before I apply any lotion. So on this very fateful day that I tried it for the first time, I wanted this to be the only lotion that I was putting on. So should I even call it a lotion or a cream? This is hardly a lotion, this is more of a cream. Yeah, it's a cream. So I applied this on my skin, and it's, you know, it gave this awful white residue, and it was a lot. So one thing that I noticed, because another time I tried it again, and this time what I did was that I first of all I applied my Vaseline gel oil all over my skin, and then I put this one on top. So I noticed that while my skin was oiled, this actually went in more smoothly, but it still gave a white residue. So one thing that I observed is that, and I really don't understand why it has to behave that way, because this says it has vitamin E oil in it. So how, like, explains to me, because it feels like it's just a dry cream that you're just putting on your skin. So when you apply this on plain dry skin, girl, you're going to be a ghost. Like, you're doing more harm to yourself, because it's going to be worse, it's going to be awful. But when you moisturize with oil, it comes out a little bit more smoother, but you definitely still get those white patches all over. Yeah, but it's usually not very noticeable, but you definitely still get the white patches for sure. So as for my general remark on this product, like I said before, because of this behavior that it has, I would not advise someone with dry skin to use this at all. And if you already have this, and this is the only sunscreen you have, if you're going to apply it, just make sure you moisturize your skin with an oil first, then go in with this. And if you're using this, I would say that you should use just a little bit of it goes a long way. So it's not like other sunscreens that you pack a handful of it and rub it all over your face until they all get absorbed in. This is going to make you as white as a painter's canvas, okay? So a little bit of it, you just apply it on that perfectly moisturized skin, not dry skin. So general remark on this product, what general remark do I have on this product? Well, first of all, I'll say it's not worth the money. It's not worth the money at all, and it's actually affordable. I think I got this for 4,500 naira. I'll put the dollar equivalent right on top of this video. So I got this for 4,500 naira not so long ago. Secondly, would I be getting this product again? Definitely no. You don't even need to ask me that question twice. I would not be getting this product again. So what do I rate this product then? I would give it a rating of 2/10, because I mean, it is a sunscreen. At the very least, the work it's expected to do is moisturize the skin and provide protection, but it cannot even get fully absorbed into the skin. So what protection is it going to offer? So yeah guys, that's basically it. Comment down below if you have used this product before or you just got it. Comment down below your experience. What do you think about this product? Do you think maybe it's just the one that I bought that is giving me issues? Which I doubt, because I got 3 of this at the same time. I gave one to my brother, I gave one to my sister, and they are both complaining of the same thing. So I'm not the only one experiencing this, but please leave a comment down below if you think, and I honestly do not think this is fake. Like this looks original, like the main thing. So I'm just wondering, like, what were they thinking when they made this product? So please comment down below what your own experience was like. I expect that nobody will be planning to get this script, but if you still want to go ahead, just go ahead and get it and see for yourself exactly what I'm saying. So yeah, thank you guys if you watched this video up until this point. I'll see you in my next video.